Hi class. So this is your video instructions for lab this cycle. Make sure you do your daily attendance, please. And you'll click on the actual lab period that you have me or Mrs. Johnson. And then we'll go down to our lab folder. And we're on lab number 6 down here at the bottom. So we have our pH lab that we're doing. This is dealing with, chemistry of life topic. And if you're in the BD group, your lab is due Friday. If you're in the AE lab group, it's due on Monday. And if you're in the CF group, it'll be due on Tuesday. So let's open the folder. And you will only see one of these. These are the different assignments for the different lab groups, but you have the same assignment. It just gives you a different due date. So you'll click on the alien juice bar lab, and it tells you to go to the juice bar website. So we're going to click that link, or you can click the link down here, and you're going to open the cami worksheet also. I already have that open, so I'm going to open the website here, and I'm going to click challenge 1. And if we look at our instructions, it says click on challenge 1 and then click start. Here's our start. Okay, so now going back to our directions, click on the picture of cabbage juice and drag it towards one of the 3 drinks. Okay, so picture of cabbage juice. This red stuff is cabbage juice. We're going to click it to the lemon juice. And we're going to do the window cleaner. And then we'll do the water. Okay, and it says continue until all 3 drinks have been poured. We just did that. Place the drinks on the correct shelf above the alien's head. When you're done, pull the check me lever. If you're wrong, the bottles will come off the shelf and then try again, and then you're going to fill in this data table. So what they mean is you're going to take the lemon juice, put it on one of these 3 shelves if you think it's an acid, if you think it's neutral, or it's a base. And then, let me move myself here, you click the check me lever when you're done. And then it'll tell you if you're right or wrong, and you continue until you're fully correct. Okay, so now you should have pulled the test more lever after you found out which was acid, base, and neutral, and then it brings you to this next screen. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to take your cabbage juice and pour it into each of your substances, and then you're going to click and drag them and put them on the shelves where you think they belong, and then you'll click check me. When you're done doing that, that's what these directions are essentially telling you. When you're done with that, you're going to write down the acids, whatever was neutral, and the bases. And then they want you to click on continue for a surprise. Okay, so hopefully you were surprised. And now you're going to click on challenge 2, read the directions on the screen, and click start. So we go to challenge 2. All right, so it says, now you're ready to open your juice bar for alien customers. If you serve them the right drink the first time, you'll have a happy customer. The wrong drink will make them sick, and 2 will kill them. To keep your juice bartending license, keep your customers happy. All right, so you're going to click start, and then you'll give the alien the drink they request. Listen carefully to your customers. If you give them the wrong drink, they can get sick or die, and you'll lose your license. You can test the pH of each drink with the picture of cabbage juice. Click on next customer to continue. Record your results in the data table. So you're recording as you go, and so you want to make sure you fill this in as you are serving the drink. So we'll click start. He wants an acidic drink. So if you're not sure, like maybe you remembered lemon juice was acidic, but if you're not sure, you want to pour that in there and you're like, yep, it was acidic. Okay, so because pink is an acid, we're going to give him some lemon juice. Okay, he's drinking, he says yummy. So now you're going to write this down. Your first one was lemon juice. For customer number 1, you can put like an X there and you can write yummy. And then the next customer, she would like a basic drink. So you're going to take this and you're going to pour, let's see, was mouthwash basic? Yes, it was. Okay, so we're going to take mouthwash, pour that in her cup, and let's see. She thinks it's yummy, and look, our health meter is doing good. We got healthy customers. So we're going to do the next one. You're going to write in what they asked for, that they asked she asked for a basic drink. You gave her the mouthwash, and then she was fine, so you can write yummy. Okay, so what they ask for goes here, what you give them goes here, and then yummy or dead, and then if you have to redo it, whatever their second drink is. Okay, so then you'll click continue to see if you kept or lost your license. If your customers all survived, congratulations, you can continue, go to the main menu and do challenge 3. If you poison your customers, I want you to erase the data table and start over and try that again. But now we'll go on to challenge 3. All right, so challenge 3, and then we click start. So here's challenge 3. Now that you know which juices are acids and which are bases, see if you can mix drinks with the pH level asked for by the aliens. So we're going to hit start, okay? And then you're going to move your cursor to the what is pH button. Fill in the pH scale below using the scale from the virtual lab as your guide. Be sure to include the pH numbers, so you're writing 0 through 14 here. The color names, you can write, or if you want to color the colors, you can color pink, green, and purple. And then if it's an acid, neutral, or base, wherever it goes on your scale. So do that before you do anything with the customers. Then you're going to drag the pitcher of cabbage juice to each glass until they're all on the tray and the color of the pH is indicated. In your data table, you're going to write the pH under the starting pH value, list the color, and determine if it's an acid, base, or neutral. So you'll write starting pH value, the color of it, and is it acid, base, or neutral. The alien will tell you what types of drinks need to be on the tray. You're going to choose a bottle from the shelf to add to the drink. Click and drag the bottle to the drink to change its pH. And you have to add the liquid. You may have to add multiple times. When you've reached the correct pH for all the glasses on the tray, will automatically move to the next level, and you're going to record your results in the table. So record your results in the finish columns, okay? So let's take a look and see what they're saying. We're going to take cabbage juice, and we're going to put them in each of these. Okay, so these are the goal pHs you want. So the first glass is pH 10. So that's what your starting value is, pH 10. What color is it? It's like a greenish color, right? Starting color. And is it acid, base, or neutral? Well, it's greenish, so it's a type of a base, okay? So she wants you to make these all acidic. All right, so we know lemon juice was an acid. If we're not sure, we can add the cabbage juice. Okay, I'm going to add it to here. 8.73 is still too high. And if you're not sure what pH is, to get a base, we want in the greens, and an acid are in the pinks. So we need to make this more pink still. We can add more lemon juice. Still over 7, so let's add some more. There, now it's a base, and it's a dark pink. So now you're going to write down the final pH, which was 6.79 in the here. The color is dark pink, and it's an acid. And you'll just continue doing that with all of these glasses. When you're done with all of these glasses, alien number 2 will come along and give you a similar challenge, and then a third alien. So you're going to be filling in both of these for the other 2 aliens. And then you have some conclusion and extension questions to answer. Once you're done with all those, you can hit the turn in button, and that will submit it into Schoology. So good luck and have fun with this. Let me know if you have any questions.